Hello and welcome to this video on whether the speed of light can be surpassed. As you may know, the speed of light is a fundamental constant in the universe, and it plays a crucial role in our understanding of how the universe works. Some people have even speculated that it might be possible to travel faster than the speed of light. But is this really possible, or is the speed of light an unbreakable barrier? That's what we'll be exploring today. First, let's talk about the theory of relativity. This is a set of laws that describe how objects behave when they are moving at very high speeds, and it's closely related to the speed of light. According to the theory of relativity, nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. This might seem strange, but there is actually quite a bit of evidence that supports this idea. For example, scientists have observed the behavior of particles moving at very high speeds, and they have found that they do not surpass the speed of light. Additionally, the cosmic microwave background radiation that fills the universe is also thought to support the theory of relativity. The speed of light is a fundamental constant of the universe and is denoted by the symbol c. It is the speed at which light waves propagate through empty space, and it is the highest speed at which anything can travel. The exact value of the speed of light is approximately 299,792,458 meters per second, or around 670 million miles per hour. The speed of light is an important concept in many areas of physics, including electromagnetism and relativity. In the theory of relativity, the speed of light is a fundamental limit that cannot be surpassed. This is because as an object approaches the speed of light, its mass increases and time slows down, according to the theory. As a result, it would take an infinite amount of energy to accelerate an object to the speed of light. The speed of light is also an important constant in the field of electromagnetism, as it determines the speed at which electromagnetic waves, such as light, can propagate through different materials. The speed of light in a vacuum is the same for all electromagnetic waves, regardless of their frequency or wavelength. However, the speed of light can be different when it passes through other materials, such as glass or water. The concept of the speed of light has been known for centuries, but it was not until the development of the theory of relativity that its fundamental role in the universe was fully understood. Today, the speed of light continues to be a subject of study and fascination for scientists and the general public alike. Now, despite the evidence for the theory of relativity, some people have suggested that it might be possible to travel faster than the speed of light. One idea is the use of wormholes, or shortcuts through space-time. If we could find a way to create and navigate through a wormhole, we might be able to travel vast distances in a short amount of time. Another possibility is the use of something called negative mass, which is a hypothetical substance that has the opposite properties of normal matter. Some people have suggested that if we could create a substance with negative mass, we could use it to propel a spaceship beyond the speed of light. There are also other speculative ideas out there, such as the use of exotic matter or the manipulation of the fabric of space-time itself. But before you get too excited about the prospect of faster-than-light travel, it's important to consider the challenges. For one thing, creating and navigating through a wormhole is a highly speculative and technologically difficult task. Additionally, the energy requirements for manipulating space-time or creating negative mass would be enormous, and it's not clear if we have the technology to do so. It's also possible that such efforts might be physically impossible, based on our current understanding of the universe. Have you ever wondered why it seems like we can't travel faster than the speed of light, even though we've made so much progress in space travel? It's a question that has puzzled people for centuries, and the answer has to do with the fundamental principle of the universe, the theory of relativity. According to the theory of relativity, the speed of light is an absolute limit that cannot be surpassed. This is because as an object approaches the speed of light, its mass increases and time slows down. In other words, it would take an infinite amount of energy to accelerate an object to the speed of light. This means that, for all practical purposes, it is impossible for us to travel faster than the speed of light. But why are we even interested in exploring space and trying to travel faster than the speed of light in the first place? There are many reasons. For one thing, humans have always been curious about the world around us and what lies beyond our planet. We want to understand more about the universe and how it works. Additionally, space exploration has many practical benefits. For example, satellite technology allows us to communicate navigate, and observe the Earth from above. It also provides opportunities for scientific research and the development of new technologies. So while we may not be able to travel faster than the speed of light, there's still much to learn and discover in the vast expanse of space. And who knows what the future may bring. Maybe one day we'll find a way to break through the speed of light barrier or discover entirely new ways of exploring the universe. Until then, we'll keep reaching for the stars. Well, that concludes our exploration of whether or not the speed of light can be surpassed. We've learned that, according to the theory of relativity, the speed of light is an absolute limit that cannot be surpassed due to the way it affects mass and time. While there are some speculative ideas about how we might be able to travel faster than light, these concepts are still very much in the realm of theory and face many challenges and limitations. Despite the fact that we can travel faster than the speed of light, there's still much to learn and discover in the vast expanse of space. The universe is full of mysteries and wonders, and we are constantly learning more about it through scientific research and exploration. So even though we may not be able to travel at the speed of light, we can still continue to push the boundaries of what we know and discover new and exciting things about the world around us. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I hope you enjoyed learning about the speed of light and its role in the universe. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.